All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It's press day. The snow's coming down. It's not going to stop us from making the commute to the gym. All right, when the workout's calling, nothing stops us. Bad roads, doesn't matter. There we go. At the gym. What do we got here? Oh, we got some Building Dad Bod 2.0 playing on the TV. Perfect. Time to hit up a push day workout. So got to redeem myself for the last one. We're going to do some deficit bench press. Got to get some weights put away here. I don't know who the last guy is. Didn't clean up after himself. So we do some deficit bench press. We're going to do some push press. Chaotic push press. Overhead. We're going to do some block press. Some incline dumbbell press. And just some shoulder accessories and some tricep accessories. So I'm going to get this mess cleaned up and then we're going to hit it hard. Right, it's press day. I'm going to start with some just quick 5 sets of McGill pull-ups. The idea is just to get my upper back kind of primed, ready to go for some bench press. Got back day tomorrow. I'm going to do more pull-ups, so I don't want to kill myself. I'm going to do pull-ups and then some band work for my upper back and then get into some pressing. So the beauty of McGill pull-ups is you can recover from them super easy. They really take nothing to recover from. And I can blast through them. So set 2. Rest 30 seconds and I'll hit it again. All right, so warming up on a little bit of deficit bench press. Struggle of losing a bunch of weight is the massive increase of range of motion on my bench press. So the bar's got to move an extra couple inches now, so I'm just doing some paused deficit bench press, trying to build up that strength off my chest. And then on my warm-ups, I superset with some banded face pulls and some banded pull-aparts just to get my upper back firing, ready to go. So I'll do one warm-up set here, show you my little circuit, and then we'll show you a working set. All right, there's the warm-up. All right, once face pulls are done, do some banded pull aparts. All right, so now upper back rear delts are all getting hit and getting warmed up. Getting engaged, ready to hit my bench press hard again. So do a couple more warm-ups and then we'll do a working set of deficit bench press. All right, so I got 180 on the bar. Let's see how this goes. Last week I did 170, so I'm gonna shoot for 3 sets of 8. 180, nice and deep. Little pause on the chest. All right, not bad. 2 more sets. Move on to some close grip. All right, so we're on to some block press. Gonna hammer the triceps block press, close grip bench press. 242. I'm up 12 pounds from last week, feeling a little better. You watched my pull day I put in my bloopers from my last press day. It was just a terrible press day. I got 5 on my last set, 242, so we'll see if we can get 4 or 5 again this set and go from there. Grind. So, deficit bench, I was trying to really work on the strength off my chest. Generally a really tricep dominant presser, so trying to really hammer the triceps here. Gonna go on after this and do some chaotic overhead press. Find it really helps with my shoulder stabilizers, and then finish off with some accessories. Some incline bench just to hit my upper chest, try to build that up. Gotta get some more size up there, but feeling a little stronger today, so that's good. Gotta work on keeping my butt down on the bench when it gets heavy, but we'll get there. All right, so do some chaotic overhead press. I'm not so worried about the amount of weight I'm pressing overhead right now. I want to make it unstable and really bulletproof my stabilizer muscles. Last time I was benching heavy, I found this really, really helpful. Kept my shoulders healthy, so we're going to hit some chaotic overhead press. I got a PVC bar, super, super light. You can use a regular barbell, but the lighter the bar, the more chaotic it is. Make sure you got safety set because you can lose control on this. All right, so see there, so I went getting more and more unstable. Really got to fight shoulder stabilizers, triceps to lock that out. One of my favorite exercises. It's going to be in my program now right up until I max out my bench press. Keep my shoulders feeling healthy and stable. All right, I'm going to shoot one more set, see if I can get more than 7. Wasn't really happy with 7, but we'll see. First time I've done these in a while. Doesn't take long to start getting a little smoother and more stable on them when you do them regularly. That's a little better. All right, so we're going to finish up with a superset. 65-pound dumbbells for incline press, and then some incline skull crushers. And then I'll superset some shoulders, but to finish off the chest and triceps just with a massive pump here. All right. I'm gonna do one more set of that, and then on to shoulders. All right, so I'm gonna finish off with some shoulders. So I'm gonna superset some rear delts, some side delts. Doing the bench press arch always affects my lower back, so I'm gonna do chest supported rear dumbbells and then up and do side delts and superset. So I'm just gonna do one right into the other one, rest for a few seconds, and then start again. Got tons of front delts in today, so got to balance everything out. Tomorrow's back, so we'll hit more high rows and crush those rear delts more tomorrow. Oh. Woo. All right. That's it for today. Press workout. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.